Create photo like this using PicsArt Mobile.
Open PicsArt Mobile app. Add new project. Select black background. Go to Stickers. Search Instagram. Edit. Import your photo. Remove background. Go to Stickers. Search smoke. Edit. Duplicate. Go to Draw. Add red line. Click on Layers. Transform. Overlay. Add empty layer. Draw another line. Layers. Transform. Overlay. Erase from face. Save it.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial and informative videos.